How to install house wrap and window flashing around a window opening. In this video, we will be using NovaWrap building wrap, NovaFlash self-adhered flashing tape, and tuck tape sheathing tape. Install NovaWrap after framing. Begin along the bottom of the wall with the printed side out. Fasten with plastic capped fasteners every 16 to 32 inches, up, down, and across along the studs when possible. Material higher on the wall should overlap material installed lower on the wall by 4 inches. Use tuck tape sheathing tape for seaming the overlapping wraps. Once your house wrap has been applied, cut an opening around the edge of the windowsill and remove the excess material. Make 2 diagonal cuts on each side above the opening and pull the flap upward. Use sheathing tape to hold the flap in place temporarily. Apply a 6-inch wide strip of NovaFlash flashing tape to the bottom front edge of the sill, extending 5 inches on each side of the exterior face of the wall and 3 inches under the window opening. Make a cut in each corner to create a flap. Fold it onto the sill and use a roller to firmly press it into place. For full protection of the bottom corners, prepare 2 bow tie pieces of NovaFlash. Cut a 4-inch by 4-inch square piece, fold it in half, and make diagonal cuts on both sides of less than 45 degrees, leaving 1.5 inches in the middle of the bow tie. Apply one side of the strip to the bottom corner of the windowsill and the other to the exterior wall face. Press firmly with the roller. Apply a long strip of NovaFlash onto the windowsill, extending 6 inches up each side. Make a cut on each corner and fold the tape onto the exterior face of the wall. Apply vertical strips of NovaFlash to each side of the opening, running the full height and folding at least 2 inches onto the exterior wall face. Install the window following the manufacturer's instructions. Once the window is installed, apply vertical strips of NovaFlash up each side of the window, ensuring an overlap of 1 inch onto the window flange. Apply a 6-inch wide strip of NovaFlash above the window, overlapping the 2 vertical strips by 6 inches on each side. Bring the top flap down and apply NovaFlash over the diagonal cuts. Tuck tape NovaFlash is a premium flashing material designed to protect window and door openings from damage caused by water intrusion.